All right, guys, behind me I have our 2020 Performance Blue GT500. Been a long time test car for us. We are currently running our pre-production carbon blower lid that we're doing for these cars. So that covers GT500, the new Dark Horse SC, GTD, Raptor, anything running the supercharged 5.2 engine. We're gonna have the lids set up so if there's anything specific to any of those vehicles, it will accommodate that. So one of the approaches we took on this lid versus some of the other stuff that's out there is we made enough clearance for all intercooler types, whether it's Whipple, VMP factory, whatever it may be. We made sure to make all that fit. The other big thing that we did with this intercooler lid that I personally like is we retained the factory-esque styling of it. So the triangular shapes and stuff in the backside of the lid, the placard frame, that's the direction we wanted to go with it, and we're pretty proud of it. So we got the Mustang on the Hub Dyno behind me here. We did some baseline testing with the factory blower lid to give you guys an idea, and then we threw our pre-production units on there. But we're gonna show you some power numbers, some gains that we're getting from this. Obviously, it is a taller lid. It gives you more clearance underneath. It's not gonna make the car 50 more horsepower. None of them do, so don't let people sell you on that. But you are gonna gain some power from it because you're giving some clearance above the intercooler, the intercooler core itself. So it flows better, you are gonna gain a little bit. So we're gonna show you guys that. We're hoping by the end of the year to have these things ready to go out the door. We're also debuting this at Mustang Week at Charlotte. So if you're out there, come check it out in person. We're gonna have the physical lids there and some of the other options that we have that go with the lids. So if you're out that way and you wanna come check it out, we're gonna be there. So